What just dropped out of nowhere? New drone? Nope. DJI Osmo Action 6. No teaser, no trailer, just a silent FCC dock going public. And suddenly, the internet's buzzing like it found a secret prototype. Dual screens, a bold new front lens, and wait, what's that pill-shaped mystery under the display? Sensor, mic, something wild. Whatever it is, DJI just cracked the door open, and now we're all scrambling for answers. Here's what we know, and why GoPro should be nervous. Let's talk power. Two battery sizes leaked. 1,770 milliamp hours and 1,950 milliamp hours. Why two? One word, options. This could mean DJI is about to pull a power move and drop two models, possibly a standard Osmo Action 6 and a souped-up Pro Edition. One for everyday creators, weekend warriors, and casual thrill seekers. The other for filmmakers, mountain climbers, and the folks who film their entire lives in 4K. It's like DJI saw the iPhone playbook and said, yeah, we can do that, but with more adrenaline. If that turns out to be true, it could split the market wide open and give creators exactly the performance tier they've been asking for. Okay, so what's under the hood? We're expecting improvements in low-light clarity, maybe a wider aperture or a stacked CMOS sensor. Creators also want crisper slow-mo options, like 4K at 120 frames per second or even 240 frames per second in 1080p. While DJI's lips are sealed, the leak scene is painting a juicy picture. 6K video? Possible. 4K at 120 frames per second? Likely. Better HDR, improved low light, and a reworked version of Rocksteady that could take on GoPro's Hypersmooth? You bet. And that mysterious front-facing sensor? It could be part of a next-gen audio pickup system or new smart tracking tech. DJI is watching the competition closely, and the Action 6 isn't just about matching the hero lineup, it's about surpassing it. This thing is shaping up to be more than a rugged cam. It's looking like a handheld production house. The Osmo Action 5 Pro was a solid win for DJI, but it had its weak spots. Night shooting? Meh. Audio? Middling. Heat management? A little toasty. DJI isn't blind to that. Word on the street is they've focused hard on cooling, giving the Action 6 longer record times without meltdown mode. Low light, a wider aperture, or a better sensor could mean cleaner, more cinematic night footage. Add in improved slow motion. Yes, we're dreaming of 240 frames per second in 1080p and better mic compatibility? Boom. This camera becomes a real tool for serious content creators who don't want to carry a full rig just to get killer footage. Here's where it gets spicy. DJI isn't just improving hardware, they're making this camera smarter. Think AI-driven active track that actually keeps your subject centered while you're bombing downhill on a mountain bike. Gesture controls that work without embarrassing you. Auto horizon leveling that stays flat, no matter how wild your world gets. Even the UI could see a major overhaul for quicker setup on the go. And about that strange new design detail, the pill-shaped panel. If DJI nails this, it's not just an action cam, it's your new pocket-sized film assistant. Here we are, June 2025, and the next big adventure cam is knocking. With DJI's FCC leaks and release patterns, we're likely just weeks from the official launch. And true to form, DJI's moving fast, pushing boundaries while GoPro plays it safe. Two versions, more power, smarter features. This isn't a simple refresh. It could be a full-on reboot of the action cam game if it nails low light, stabilization, and battery life. The Action 6 might just be the camera for 2025 creators and explorers alike. And that's the full breakdown, legends. The Osmo Action 6 is more than a rumor. It's real, it's coming, and it could be DJI's most exciting launch in years. What's your take? Are you Team Standard or Team Pro? Drop your thoughts in the comments. We're diving into them all. If you got hyped, learned something new, or just enjoy chasing leaks like we do, smash that like button. And don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss the official reveal. Until next time, stay sharp, stay curious, and keep creating.